Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to change your font style, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and settings, just scroll down and look for display option. Tap on it and here you'll get font size and style. You must have to select that option and here select font style. Once you have selected, you will get different fonts here. There are some basic fonts. You can select that if you want, but just tap on download fonts to get new fonts on your phone. And here you must have to select the font which you want to set as your own. As for example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on this download option and it will start downloading. Once the font has downloaded, you can easily apply that to your phone. Once the font has completed, just tap on this apply option and here the font will be applied. So here you can see there's our font has successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change your font style and your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.